right, y'all, so this is my grocery haul from Walmart. Excuse if you hear any things in the background. The twins are here today. So I got 18 large cage-free brown eggs. I got a pack of colorful peppers is what I call them, colorful bell peppers at least. I got some sliced mild cheddar, some sliced pepper jack, some shredded mozzarella, cheddar jack, and mild cheddar cheese. I got some mixed vegetables for the children, some sweet peppers. If y'all haven't had any of these, you're missing out on life. This Red Baron brick oven cheese trio pizza, which is excellent as well. I got 3 bags of chopped spinach because I use these for smoothies, and actually it was hard to find spinach the last time I was in Walmart, so I got 3 bags. And I also got some fresh spinach as well. We like to have that on hand to put on our burgers and any other sandwiches that we make. Alrighty, and then real quick over here, y'all, because I had so much stuff, I had to put it in 3 different areas. So I got some mixed fruit cups, cherry mixed fruit cups. I got some go-go squeeze fruit on the go, apple mango, and apple banana, family size, because they can eat these up. And then I also got some go-go squeeze fruit and veggies, the boulderberry and the zingin pear as well. And then last but not least, over here, I have the rest of the groceries. I got a couple apples to mix in with the children's oatmeal for in the morning, some unsweetened applesauce, some Miracle Whip. Y'all, we were completely out, and that is so unlike me. I got 1 red onion so I can make sandwiches this weekend. I got some blueberries, some strawberries, some oven roasted chicken breasts for my sandwiches. I got some flour tortillas. I'm actually going to use these to make some breakfast burritos to freeze and have during the week. I got some Pedialyte, 2 of those. You would actually think the Pedialyte is for the children, but they're actually for my husband. I got some of the Annie's organic pasta shells and cheese, and then I guess these are shells and cheese as well. One's white cheddar, one's regular cheddar for the children. I got some grapes. I got a bag of goldfish. I got some whole milk, of course. Mini muffins and blueberry. I got some Go-Gurt for the children. And then I also got some Danimals smoothies for the children, the cotton candy and strawberry. Also got some, also got some Nutty Buddies, some honey buns, and then some graham crackers. The graham crackers for the children. Nutty Buddies, honey buns are for the parents. I got a mega size of the Raisin Bran Crunch. I got some almond milk. My husband drinks almond milk. I got a couple things of berry punch, is my favorite Minute Maid drink. I got some juicy juice for the kiddos, and then I got some cheddar and sour cream chips, and then the classic Lay's potato chips. So altogether, I spent about $160 on all this stuff. Man, groceries are just going up and up. But yeah, that's my grocery haul from Walmart. Hope y'all enjoyed. Now I'm actually going to put away the groceries. So follow me for that.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone.
Hey y'all, just want to take the time to introduce myself. My name is Toya. I am a married, full-time working mom of 2 two-year-old twins. I create cleaning, organizing, twin mom lifestyle type video content. If this is something that interests you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube family, and let me know in the comments that you are here watching today. And if you're a returner, I love you for coming back week after week. Hit me up in the comments and let me know that you are here watching today.
Wishing you the best of life instead. When I yeah. Baby, no, I don't wanna alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date?
As y'all can see, my twins are all over the place in this video today. Like, I didn't even get a chance to film everything that I wanted to, and then also I didn't have enough memory left on my phone, so I did all that I could in this video with them still running around and asking for snacks and calling my name and all that kind of stuff. So if you know, you know.
Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do.
My grocery haul here today was actually Walmart. Typically, I don't do or I don't go to Walmart a ton, but Aldi is really my go-to, and then I will go to Hy-Vee, which is the higher price grocery store, for those items that I can't find in Aldi. Where do you like to shop for your groceries? Let me know in the comments.
Lately, where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know.
Y'all, we are nearing the end of the video. This is the part of the video that my husband will probably love the most, because I am actually breaking down the boxes. Typically, I will take these boxes unbroken down and toss them into the recycling bin, and it'll be my husband's job to break them down on trash day. But I'm doing him a favor today, and today only, so you're welcome, hubby. But I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Please leave me a note in the comments and let me know how you enjoyed the video and what other content you would like to see from me in the future. I definitely appreciate you all, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.